y'all. It's me, Ashik, and I wanted to share my new loc journey that I started 2023. I had locks, for those who don't know, I had locks from 2007 to 2013, and I cut my locks off. I have that video, I'll insert the link below. And then fast forward, me going through different changes in life, I decided to go back to locks last year. Actually, the end of 22, I started transitioning to grow out my hair so I can start twisting it. But as you can see here, this is the early part of this year. This is in January. My hair has some steady growth. I have larger locks this time around. The previous time my locks were a lot thinner. I had a lot more locks. But here, this is in March of this year. As you can see, this is my birthday, April, right here. And then this is actually June. And yeah, and this is July. And my hair just has been growing rapidly. So I just wanted to share this quick video with y'all so y'all can see my progress. Thanks for watching. Bye.